Welcome to JH. Blinzador claims to be a fast-drying, odorless, plant-based spray for nail and foot fungus, boasting a blend of undesalinic acid, lavender oil, jojoba, menthol, and vitamin E. Because nothing says medical miracle like smelling like a botanical garden while your toes are in a state of emergency. Some users find it convenient and enjoy the fresh, moisture-controlled feeling, but the list of red flags is longer than a CVS receipt. The website is suspiciously new, and there is absolutely no independent clinical data to prove the formula actually works as advertised. They also conveniently forget to disclose the actual concentrations of their active ingredients, likely because, trust us, isn't exactly a measurable unit of volume. To top it off, scam watch platforms have issued low trust scores, warning that the marketing is aggressively pushy and the testimonials look more staged than a high school play. It seems the only thing this spray definitely clears out is your wallet.